So in this video, we're going to talk about how to set up the Browning HP5. This is an amazing camera and it's one of our preferred cameras for sitting out in a field as well as in people's backyards for our Share the Landscape project. If you want to purchase one of these cameras, just go to our website, fstopfoundation.org, look for the shop button, and then look for the remote cameras. You'll find the link to be able to purchase the Browning cameras as well as the locks, boxes, and everything else that you'll need to deploy a camera in your own backyard. So let's get started. This is the Browning Spec Ops Elite HP5. We just call it the HP5. And we love this camera for many reasons. You can see in the back of the box, this is the box you would get. It's a tremendous amount of features that come with this camera, including 24 megapixel pictures, 1080 videos with audio, a 100-foot infrared range, very fast startup, so you don't miss the animals as they're coming through the area where the camera is recording. 2-inch color screen. I mean, a lot of really awesome features that this camera comes with. And we use this camera to produce the content that we use in our videos, in our films, and all the work that we do with fStop. A special thanks to Browning because they're a tremendous partner of ours, and we really love the products and the support that they give us. So thank you.